Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Today, we are diving into the all-new 2024 Toyota Veloz. History of Toyota Veloz, a beloved vehicle that has evolved over the years to meet the changing needs of drivers. From its humble beginnings to its current state, we explore how Toyota Veloz has become a staple in the automotive industry. Join us as we uncover the fascinating journey of this iconic car model. This sleek and stylish car is redefining what it means to drive in luxury. First impressions matter, and the Veloz does not disappoint. From its bold exterior design to its comfortable interior, every detail has been carefully crafted to enhance your driving experience. Under the hood, the Veloz packs a powerful punch. With its efficient engine and smooth handling, you'll feel like you're gliding on air as you cruise down the road. But it's not just about performance, the Veloz is also packed with cutting-edge technology. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the key features, performance, and design of this sleek and stylish vehicle. From its powerful engine to its advanced technology, we'll cover everything you need to know before making a decision. If you're in the market for a new car that offers a perfect blend of style and performance, the 2024 Toyota Veloz might just be the perfect choice for you. With its modern design and innovative features, this vehicle is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a road trip, the Veloz has you covered with its smooth handling and comfortable ride. One of the standout features of the 2024 Toyota Veloz is its impressive fuel efficiency. With its hybrid engine, this car offers excellent gas mileage without sacrificing power or performance. This means you can enjoy a thrilling driving experience while also reducing your carbon footprint. And with its spacious interior and advanced safety features, the Veloz is designed to keep you and your passengers safe and comfortable on every journey. The 2024 Toyota Veloz is a top contender in the compact car market, offering a perfect balance of style, performance, and efficiency. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish vehicle that's packed with features, the Veloz is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content.